Criticism versus recommendations. What's better? Let's find out. What's good? My name is Oleg Nikitin and you're watching No Limits On, the channel about the privilege of being a freelancer, tips and pieces of advice about motivation, personal growth, some tech aspects and many more. Welcome to the channel. I'm extremely tired of the criticism in the internet. Unfortunately, sometimes this place is full of dirt and negative emotions. There is not that many benefits in criticism. I prefer recommendations. First of all, find something positive. Either it is lighting, color, montage or person himself. First of all, tell him or her the positive side. After this, you can add your negative side, but you can transform it. And here is the rule number 2. Transform your negatives into recommendations. For example, I do like the color in your video. And if you continue working on your lighting, you'll get better results. So we change the negative aspect, you have bad lighting in your videos, into a positive and a recommendation. I'd like to see better lighting in your videos, it would be much better. After you said your recommendation, please motivate the person. Say something like, I like your videos, keep on doing this, you'll get better with time. So our disadvantage minus or negative side is laying between two positive sides. And the person feels that he's doing well and doing good and has more motivation to grow. And as a bonus, I'd like to make a social experiment. Find a community in Facebook in which people are asking to criticize their videos and try to give your recommendations based on my 3 principles. Why did I ask you to find this type of group? Because I do think that if a person doesn't ask to criticize his or her work, you shouldn't do that. We're all colleagues in certain ways, so it's time to give the best pieces of advice we can. Quote of the episode: you have to collect the stones that are thrown at you. It's a foundation of your pedestal. And question of the episode: how often do you criticize others? And how do you feel when you're being criticized? This was Oleg Nikitin and No Limits On. Stop criticizing, start giving recommendations. See you guys, bye.